Hey guys, so in this quick video I'm going to talk about the Eldorado GG and if it's actually worth using, worth buying accounts. Let's say if you want to use the GTA 5 account. There are multiple issues that I have with it. So the first thing is that yes, it could be safe and it can be safe, but it's about finding trusted sellers from which you can buy accounts. But just be aware of one single thing is that if you're going to buy the account from here, you don't know if the account was actually stolen. So if the account was stolen, you're going to get the account. And then the person who was it stolen from is going to message to, like let's say, PlayStation, whatever, they want the account back. Then there is going to be issue with that. Because they're going to get the account back and you just spend money. So that's something to be aware of if you want to go this road and what you can actually expect from it. So for me, it's like this is up to you, but just try to find a good reliable seller with a lot of good reviews. And when you're gonna like find here like great reviews from the seller, and that's what you want to do. That's what I would recommend to do. So it's safe, just be aware. All right, it really depends what kind of seller you're going to buy it from, and maybe they can have like stolen account. Maybe it's not going to be issue if you don't mind it and you're going to be fine. Just be aware. So just want to make this quick video for you and have a great day and goodbye.